Step 3. Write the formula. The answers from step number 2 are the subscripts in the formula. The formula therefore is NO2. In step 2, you will get something like nitrogen equals 1 and oxygen equals 2.5. Then the formula you write in step 3 would be NO2.5. This doesn't make sense because all the subscripts in the whole numbers. You would need to double each subscript, and then the formula then would be N1 times 2 O2.5 times 2 equals N2O5. Critical thinking questions. 11. Find the empirical formula for the compound that obtains 82.4% nitrogen and 14.6% hydrogen. For nitrogen, 82.4 over 14 equals 5.89. 5.89 is smaller than 17.4, which is hydrogen's 17.6 over 1.01 equals 17.4. Divide the smallest 5.89 over divided by 5.89 equals 1, and 17.4 divided by 5.89 equals 2.95, which is pretty much 3. The formula therefore would N1H3 or just NH3. Calculate the molecular formula for the empirical formula. Remember that the empirical formula is just a simplification of the molecular formula. For example, consider the empirical formula as NO if there's several possible molecular formulas including N2O2, N3O3, N4O4, etc. Which one is it? Notice that the possible formula N2O2 is made up of 2 and the empirical formula is NO. Similarly, the N3O3 is made up of 3 and the empirical formula is NO. How much do we need the empirical? How do we know which empirical formula is correct? We need is the molar mass of the molecular formula. Critical thinking questions. 12. The empirical formula for a certain compound is NO. The molar masses for a compound is 60.0 grams per mole. A. What is the molar mass of the empirical formula? Use the periodic table. 14.0 plus 16.0 equals 30. B. Divide the molar masses of the compound given the question by the molar masses of the empirical formula found in part A. 60 divided by 30 equals 2. C. Your answer to part B tells you how many empirical formulas are in the molecular formula. You now should be able to write the correct molecular formula, which is N2O2. Verify that the correct formula is N2O2. We found in part B that there are 2 empirical formulas for the molecular formula. Therefore, the molecular formula must be N1 times 2 equals O1 times 2, which is N2O2. 13. A. What is the empirical formula for the compound whose percent composition by mass is 85.7% carbon and 14.3% hydrogen? For carbon, 85.7 divided by 12 equals 7.14. For hydrogen, 14.3 divided by 1.01 equals 14.02. 14.2. This is divide the smallest 7.14 by 7.14 equals 1. And 14.2 divided by 7.14 equals 1.99, which is 2. Empirical formula is CH2. If the compound has a molar mass of 56 grams per mole, what is the molecular formula? Molar mass of the empirical formula for part A is 12.0 plus 2 times 1.0 equals 14.02 divided by 14.02 equals 4.02. 56 divided by 14.02 equals 3.99, which is 4. Molecular formula is C1 times 4, H2 times 4 equals C4H8. And that's it. See ya, fellas.